Imagine being able to give your favourite YouTuber a massive boost for free just by tapping a button. Well, YouTube has just dropped a new feature called Hype. Hype. And it's a game changer. Whether your favourite YouTuber has 500 subscribers or 500,000, you can help their videos climb a leaderboard, get more views and reach more fans. And today I'm not just explaining it, I'm going to show you how to do it using my phone. And I want you to try it out on this very video so we can test it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So here's the deal. You can now hype up 3 long form videos every week at no cost. That's 3 normal YouTube videos. That doesn't include shorts or live streams. It's normal long form videos. When you hype up a video, you give it points. The fewer subscribers the channel has, the more points the video gets. For example, if you hype up a video from a channel that has 500 subscribers, it will get about 2,500 points. But if you hype a video from a channel that has 500,000 views, or 500,000 subscribers, should I say, that video will get 50 points. So it favours the smaller channels and helps them to grow and be seen by more people. This means that small creators can really benefit when you hype their videos. So videos with the most hypes get added to a YouTube leaderboard showing the top hyped videos of the last week. This leaderboard is the same for everyone in your country. So it gives a real chance for up and coming creators to get discovered. So you can only hype long form videos that have been uploaded within the last 7 days. And they have to be from creators who have between 500 and 500,000 subscribers. Now I'm going to show you using my phone how to hype a video. Watch carefully. So if I go to one of my previous videos, so I uploaded this one a few days ago. Oh, there's an advert playing. Yeah, I don't pay for premium. So there's the video playing. If you look, you can hit the like button, and then where the comments section is, it will come up with this hype this video section. Also, you can scroll along the carousel and hype is there as well. So you can press it there or through this one. So because my channel has only got 2,000 and something subscribers, you get quite a few hype points. So if I click on that, right, it says help your favorite creators be discovered when you hype. 2,500 points on this video. So to give it context, number 100 on the leaderboard has 107,000 points. Now I'm going to need a hell of a lot of people to hype this video for me to get close to that. So guys, while you're there, give it a try. Hype this video. Let's see. I'm going to do another video to show later down the line in a week's time or so how many hypes this video got and if it got any traction. So small creator bonus points applied. So you press the bar at the bottom, hype 2.5k, and there you have it. Ah, this video already had 2,500. So somebody, thanks whoever you are, hyped this video for me. So now I've got 5,000 hype points. I only need 100 and something thousand more. So guys, Give it a try. It's not that difficult. So the process apparently is the same on iPhone. I might do a video trying that out as well, just to give you guys an idea of how to do it. And there's a cool bonus, guys. If you hype the same creator quite a few times, you can actually get a hype star badge. You can even share that badge or even post it on your community tab on YouTube. Now I need your help to put this to the test. Try hyping this video right now and let's see if it works. I'll check the results and share what happens when this video is hyped. Let's see if we can push it up the leaderboard together. This is such an exciting way to help support small YouTubers, all your favourite channels out there that don't have millions of subscribers. You can help them to get noticed, get them pushed up the leaderboard, get them seen by more people. This can even help your channel too. So give it a try, hype this video, go hype some of your other favourite YouTubers out there. And remember, you get 3 hypes a week. It resets every Monday. So from Monday to Sunday, you can hype 3 videos. They could be the same creator or 3 different creators. It's totally up to you. It's about what you love, the people you want to see succeed. If you don't want to do it on my video, it's not the end of the world, but do it to someone. Don't waste your hypes. Help small YouTubers. Don't let these million subscriber channels take all the glory. If you found this helpful, guys, make sure you give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to hype us. Peace.